Samsung, on the other hand, is booming right now. Samsung is gobbling up everything that used to be Huawei. Everything that they were sort of zeroed in on, focusing on, the flagships, the foldables, the new markets, and the actual 5G infrastructure. Samsung wants to play in that space. And you scroll down, I love this infographic, by the way, courtesy of Bloomberg, but we're reading it on Yahoo Finance because Bloomberg hit you with the paywall.
Yeah.
So we could have been on Bloomberg right now. You hear that, Bloomberg? Anyway, Yahoo Finance. Of course, the story gets republished. It's a nice graph showing where the politics live when it comes to Huawei inside of 5G mobile networks. Obviously, China coming up green. It's allowed there. It's okay still in South Africa. I don't know what that nation is up there on the north end of Africa. Oh, no, that's on the other side of, what is that, Saudi Arabia? Over there? Oh, no. Maybe that's too big to be Saudi Arabia. What's that country, Will?
Which one? This one?
Yeah, that one right there.
I don't know.
You don't know. We're doing geography class right now, but there's a couple of other countries where it's allowed. You can see what looks like Indonesia over there, some parts of Asia, Russia up there. Then you see in the blue the on-the-fence countries, which actually Canada's in that mix. You have a couple South American countries, and that's on the fence, unlikely to use, ban in effect. We got the bans fully in effect. What looks like the UK, Japan, Australia, and the United States, full-out bans. I mean, it's just a shrinking pie over here where Huawei can do business, and that leaves you want to take a shot at that right now?
I have it right here. You're right. It's Saudi Arabia.
Oh, okay. Saudi Arabia. Yeah, these are unlabeled, so I'm having to go off the memory there.
Geography. You did pretty good.
Yeah, actually, that looks like above Saudi Arabia. Is that Turkey? That's also allowing it?
It is, yeah.
Okay, look at this.
I mean, look at you.
Well, it's also the politics. I'm also recognizing the politics.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So it's helpful.
Yeah.
But there's another country, there are restrictions in place, which is France. And then below that, Spain is unlikely to use. So we have these different designations. Oh, and we have India, who we've covered, potentially has a soft ban on Huawei, but they're currently in the unlikely to use category. However, some are saying that internally in the actual government conversations, those sources close to the matter, apparently it is kind of like a soft ban in effect, but nonetheless, you can see the shrinking pool of potential places to do business. And the way these 5G networks operate, or these deals or these contracts, is they're long term. It could be like 5 years or something. And so when you're kept out of that work, you're kept out of at least the next 5 years, maybe the next decade in some ways. So it's a big deal. And increasingly, Samsung has looked to gobble up some of those opportunities. Now they strike a 5G deal with Verizon worth $6.6 billion. Huge deal. That's a lot of money, Will. Samsung Electronics Company wins a $6.6 billion order to provide fifth-generation wireless solutions to Verizon Communications in the U.S., a big win for the electronics giant and their networking gear business. This contract was just finalized, and it's going to be good through December 2025 because there's maintenance and there's a lot of stuff that goes with providing this equipment. This is one of the biggest deals that Samsung has done in terms of 5G contracts. And of course, there were others competing for that deal. Huawei, not one of them, but companies like Nokia saw their share price fall, possibly because of this deal. With this latest long-term strategic contract, we will continue to push the boundaries of 5G innovation to enhance mobile experiences for Verizon's customers. Verizon, famously, we spoke about when we're talking about 5G, one of the few to support the millimeter wave technology, providing some absolute banana town type of connectivity, close to 1 gigabit on mobile. I don't know exactly if this equipment that Samsung's putting in will support that frequency band, but nonetheless, big deal for Samsung. They continue to gobble it up, whether it's the flagship device or whether it's the 5G equipment. They see the pen to paper from Trump in the United States, and they say, okay, we'll pick up the slack.
Yeah.
We'll take the $6.6 billion, no problem. We're on our way.
Yeah. Good on them.
So there you have it.